Hello guys, I hope you are doing really well. Today I have with me Soundcore A3i earbuds, and in this video I am going to talk about how to use these earbuds. So I am going to talk about 8 tips and tricks. So let's start. The first tip is about how to connect your earbuds with your phone. So first of all, you have to put them in your charging case and you have to keep your charging case open. Now in the next step, you have to turn on your phone Bluetooth. So I will just scroll down and here I will turn on my phone Bluetooth. Now in the next step, you have to open Play Store and you have to download an app. Name of the app is Soundcore. So I will just select the Soundcore app. So here is the Soundcore app by Anchor. So I will just install it. So it will just take a few seconds for the installation. So the Soundcore app is now installed. I will open this app. Now here you have to select this agree and continue option, and then here you have to enter your Anchor ID. If you don't have ID, you can create a new ID by just select this sign up option. If you don't want to enter your ID, you can just skip. Okay, so I will just skip this option, and then here you have to select this next, and then here again next, and then here you have to select this I got it. Now here you see this option of add device. Just select it. Once you select it, it will ask you if you want to allow it. So I will just allow it. Now it will start searching for the device. So here you can see it is showing Soundcore A3i. So I will just select it. Once you select it, it will start pairing, and here you can see it is asking for pair. So I will just select this pair option, and then it will start making a connection with your earbuds. So then it will show you some instructions. You can just swipe it like that, and then you just select got it. So now here you can see the A3i earbuds are now connected with my phone. If I just go back, so here you can see it is showing A3i is now connected. The next tip is about controls. So if you want to play or pause any video, you have to use this right earbud and you have to press this button 2 times. So this is the right earbud. So if I press it 2 times, you will see the video will start playing. So you can play your audio or video by just pressing this button 2 times. Now, for example, if I want to pause this video, again, I will press this button 2 times. So I will show you, I will just press it like this, and here you can see my video is now paused. The next tip is about how to switch to the next track. So on your left earbud, so I have this left earbud with me. So you see this button, you have to press it 2 times for moving to the next track. So I will just press it 2 times like this, and here you can see now it switched to the next track. So you can play your next audio or next video by just using this left earbud button. You have to press it 2 times. The next tip is about volume up or volume down. So if you want to increase the volume for your right earbud, you have this button, you have to press it 1 time. So I will just press this button 1 time, and here you can see now the volume start increasing. If I press it again 1 time, you will see the volume is now increased. So this is how I can increase the volume. If you want to decrease the volume, if you want to make your volume down, so for your left earbud, you see this button, you have to press it 1 time. So I will just press it 1 time like this, and you will see here the volume is start decreasing. So I will just do it again. So here you can see, and if I do it again, so here you can see the volume is now decreasing. The next tip is about answering or ending the calls. So for example, I will call on this number. Now if you want to answer the call, you have to use any of your earbud and you have to press this button 1 time. So for example, I have this call, I want to answer. So I will just press this button 1 time, and here you will see the call is now answered. Now, for example, I want to finish this call, I want to end this call. So now I have to press this button 2 times. Okay, so I will just press it 2 times like this. So here you can see the call is now finished. You can do this with any of these earbuds. The next thing is if you want to decline a call. So for example, I will call on this number again, and now I want to decline a call. So I want to decline this call. I will press and hold this button for 2 seconds. Okay, so I will just press and hold it like this, and here you will see the call is now declined. So you can control your calls using your earbuds. The next tip is about switching to noise cancellation mode. So here you can see on my app, currently it is set to normal, but I want to switch to noise cancellation mode. I can use this earbud button. I have to press and hold it for 2 seconds. So I will just press and hold it like this, and you will see over here, now it is switched to noise cancellation. If I press and hold it again for 2 seconds, then it will go back to the normal mode. So I can do this with any of these earbuds. The next tip is about controls customization. So whatever controls I mentioned previously, you can customize them, you can change them. So what you have to do, you have to just go inside your Soundcore app, select A3i, and then you see this controls option at the bottom. Just select it. Once you select it, here you see there are different options available. The first one is press once. So currently if you press once, for the left I select volume down, for right I select volume plus. If you want to change it, just select this arrow, and here you have more options available. If I go back for the right as well, if I select this arrow, so here you can select any of these options. If I go back, then we have this press twice. If you just select it, again you can customize this left and right earbud. If you select this arrow from here, you have more options available. So now you have voice assistant and ambient sound option as well. If I just go back, then I have this hold for 2 second option. I just select it, and here you see I select for ambient sound switching. If you just select it, here you can select any of these options. If you want to enable the transparency mode, so you can do this as well. The next tip is about sound effects customization. So you can customize your equalizer as well. So what you have to do, just open the Soundcore app, select A3i, and then here you see the option of equalizer. Just select it. Once you select it, here you have two different categories. The first one is default. If you just select this arrow, you have more options available. So now here you can use the sound signature bass up. You can enable the bass up option, and then here we have 20 different preset profiles. So we have podcast, dance, deep, electronic, flat. So there are different preset profiles available in the default section. So you can select any of these profiles for your sound effects. And then if you go back, the next category is custom. If you just select this custom and then you select this arrow, you can customize your EQs by yourself. So here you can see I can customize them manually. I can change them. So here you can see I can make it up and down using my finger. And then if you want, you can add more custom EQs. Just select this plus icon, and then here you can give it any name, press done, and here you can add one more custom EQ by yourself. The next tip is about noise cancellation. So guys, these earbuds have noise cancellation option available as well. So you have to go inside the Soundcore app, select A3i, and then here you can see this ambient sound option. So we have three different options. The first one is noise cancellation. So if you want to select this noise cancellation, you can select from here, or you can use your buttons as well. The next one is transparency mode, and the third one is normal. So you can switch between any of these ambient sound modes. The next feature is about voice prompt. So if you want to enable the voice prompt, you can do it through your Soundcore app. Just open the Soundcore app, select A3i, and then on top right corner you see the settings icon. Just select it. Once you select it, here you see the very first option is about voice prompt. So if you want to enable it, you can just directly enable it from here for voice prompts. The next tip is about how to turn off these earbuds. So you can just put them in the charging case. So I will just put them in charging case. They will attach magnetically, and then you will close this charging case. So once you close it, they will turn off automatically. Now if you want to turn them on, you just open the charging case. So I will just open this charging case, and then they will turn on automatically. The next tip is about how to update the Soundcore app for these earbuds. So simply just open the Soundcore app, then select this A3i, and then go to the settings. So here is the setting icon. Just select it. Once you select it, here you see this option of update firmware. Just select this arrow, and here if you have any available update, so it will show over here. So currently you can see it is saying you are up to date, so I don't need any update. So if there is any update available, it will show over here. So guys, this is for today's video. I hope you like the video. I hope you enjoyed the video. So please subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.